Okay, so this is about my former Western Digital hard drive. Okay, this is the case. You can see a Western Digital logo. This is also a case for something like they should have gone right on top of this board, which is the adapter for the power and USB. Too bad. So it's 320 gigabyte Western Digital hard drive, external hard drive. So actually it stopped working today, as of today. I did some check disk. I ran check disk utility and was stuck on 10%. I wanted to save some torrents and wanted no result, and now I tried to unscrew this shit. Actually, I ain't got a Phillips screw, so it looks a bit Spartan like. I have to adjust this shit. Let me see what I can get. Its own case, as you know. So I have to film actually. It's possible what's happening inside. So right there in front, ahead, actually right here, there ahead, in the far distance we have the read and write head, the hard disk. So right now we'll try to connect. Let's see if I can get something. So, oops. Actually, don't do this at home. Oh, wow. So it's spinning, and yeah, it's a random click of the hard disk. Actually, there it is. Let me get. Actually, it's not reading anything right now. Okay, so the head is standing still. Let's connect USB. Actually, let's see. Oh my god, this is so tiny, and I can feel the air and the rotations. Oh, holy shit! Oh, it stopped. Oh, let's insert it in the ass. Oh, that's a bad noise. You can hear that. It's a pretty bad noise. Actually, this baby isn't going to work. I scratched it with a screwdriver, so no way this is going to work ever again. This is, or this was, my Western Digital 120 gigabytes external hard drive. Okay, so let's finish it in start. Maybe we can play a bit with it. But I'm a bit reluctant, but let's see what happens if I insert this thing. Oh, we can actually stop it. And it stopped. Holy shit. Now it's not spinning anymore. Oops. So, yes, this is dead for good. Oh well. Say good night and goodbye to my Western Digital. And to put it at rest in a nice way. Let's can play this. It's so bad. Holy dolly. So actually it looks pretty bad. So it won't even power up. Holy shit. Oh crap. Oh, it's spinning again. There we go. What can you do with it? Oh no, it's not spinning. Oh well.